CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
So here I'm going to show you how our cameras with audio detection capability along with our NVRs let you record when they hear an audio event. This happens to be a camera with a microphone on top of it, besides in addition to a speaker on it too. So this camera can be tuned to detect and record when there's audio detected. So what you do is you log in, you connect your camera first to your NVR like this with a little cable, turn the NVR on, make sure it's connected to HDMI, use a mouse. I got a monitor connected, so I go to main menu and then I log in. Then what I have to do is go under alarm, go under audio detection. So you go here and then make sure you enable all of these settings you've got here. So usually by default, they look like that. So first you select the camera number, and this is channel 1. So this is only one camera on this NVR. So we select that. Audio exception, you enable that. Intensity change, you enable that. The threshold, I'm going to show you what that is in more picture form, but then you go to schedule, make sure by default it will already be selected as all red. That's what you want. And let's go through the rest. Record channel under setting. So under record channel, it's supposed to be like that channel selected, and then hit OK. Now in here, you don't need any of the other things unless you want to wake yourself up. You can put a buzzer on there, so when it hears audio, it'll go off. And we're going to turn it on just to show you it's actually hearing audio. And the NVR is going to have a buzzer that comes on, not the camera. Hit apply. Now, inside the NVR's web interface, this is the easiest way to set this up. The next thing you need to do is go under storage and then go to schedule and make sure that you select motion and alarm. So we need to highlight that in the schedule for all the days. What we can do is just click on configure and then easily select all of the days and then select motion and alarm and uncheck general. So if you don't want to record 24/7, hit OK. Now this is what it's supposed to look like. Hit apply. Now once that's done, that's the second part. The last part is going to record mode. Make sure that channel is set to auto. You don't want to set it to off or manual or something. Now if you want to record a substream, which is a lower resolution stream all the time, it's going to be here, auto. And then that will continue to record a lower resolution stream. Hit apply. So now this is how I like to do this. Now, as this is enabled, the last thing is we need to make sure our camera's mic is on. So if you don't have a mic on the camera, it's not going to work. So go to camera, encode, and then you've got to click here under more. Make sure it's checked on. Hit OK. OK. Apply. All right. Now, that's all that you need to set for this to start doing audio detection. So now, since I'm talking, there are events happening, and the NVR selects how long an event's going to be. But when you have an alarm happen and audio is going to keep on beeping like this, you may want to turn that off. Let's go back and turn it off under audio detection. Hit apply. Now you can make sure it's actually working by going under alarm info, and you can search for events that day, and you can see for audio detection if there are any audio detection events happening. Then hit search and it'll tell you if they happen, and you can then hit play. And I'm going to turn up my mic. So it's from an event that happened before. So now let me show you another way to manage the NVR. You can use our web interface-based portal. Once you know the IP address of your NVR, you can log into it and then go under camera and then select your camera here. You have to have a Windows laptop to be able to do this, and you have to use Edge. Then when you click on it, it takes you to the camera window. Go under settings. Here under event and audio detection, you can actually see a graph here that shows you what this threshold really means in visual form for you to understand how much audio detection is doing. So of course, if you have an air conditioner running or a space heater like I do in the background, it'll constantly keep going. But right now it's going because I'm talking. I'm going to stay quiet for a bit and let's see what happens. So as you can see, I got quiet here. The green means, it's not hearing anything, so it's not going to record. But as soon as I start talking, it starts recording again, and I can see a graph waveform of me talking. So that's how you set the audio detection on the camera through the web interface, through the NVR. If you're unable to get to this page, then you may require paid support assistance. Please feel free to purchase one of those sessions, and we'll teach you how to do that on your system, on your network. Thank you for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.